Hurricane Julia hit Nicaragua's central Caribbean coast on Sunday after lashing Colombia's San Andres Island, and a weakened storm was expected to emerge over the Pacific. Julia hit as a Category 1 hurricane early Sunday with maximum sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. Though its winds had dipped to 70 miles per hour by late morning as it pushed across Nicaragua with heavy rains. The U.S. National Hurricane Center said Julia was centered about 65 miles east-northeast of Managua, the capital, and was moving west at 15 miles per hour. It said life-threatening flash floods and mudslides were possible across Central America and southern Mexico through Tuesday, with the storm expected to bring as much as 15 inches of rain in isolated areas.